Hi everyone, today we're making Filipino style spaghetti and here are our ingredients. Hot dogs, 1/4 of quick melt cheese, 1/2 onion, 3 to 4 garlic cloves, bell pepper, ground meat, a pack of Filipino style spaghetti sauce. Let's start cooking. On a pot with hot water, add in a tablespoon of olive oil and a pinch of salt. Then cook the pasta for 8 to 10 minutes. On a separate pan, add in a tablespoon of oil, then saute the onions and garlic. Once it starts to brown, add in the ground meat. I'm using ground pork in this, but you can use ground beef or chicken if you like. When it starts to get semi-cooked, add in the bell peppers and stir for. Add in 1 cup of the spaghetti sauce, 1/4 cup of water. Add the hot dogs. Once it starts to simmer, add in 1/4 of the cheese. Then let it simmer for at least 5 minutes. Season it with salt and pepper. Then mix the pasta and the sauce. Make sure to top it with some grated cheese on top before serving. And here's our Filipino style spaghetti. This recipe is perfect for the upcoming holidays. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching!